Hey, this is Gary from 3Bug Media. Today we're going to talk about topic clusters for local SEO, what they are, and how to use them as part of your own local SEO strategy. Today we're going to talk about topic clusters, but it also is referred to as content silos. So if you ever heard the term content silo, it's pretty much the same thing as a topic cluster. And what that is a central topic where you have a central important page on your website that you're trying to rank for your local SEO, and you're going to create various subtopics that are directly related to this main topic, and you're going to interconnect them on your website. And what that does, it creates a very central theme for this topic, and it makes it really easy for Google to understand what your website, or at least this part of your website, is all about. In this example, we're going to talk about kitchen renovation. So if you're a contractor and you have a kitchen renovation page that you really want to try to rank in local SEO, this is the type of strategy you would want to use. So in this case, the main pillar page we're going to use is kitchen renovations. So what we're going to do is we're going to create various subcategory or subtopic pages around kitchen renovations. So we're going to have kitchen flooring, kitchen cabinets, kitchen counters, kitchen lighting, kitchen appliances. So there may be more, there may be less, really depending on whatever industry you're in. You're going to pick these various subtopics. So you're going to have your main landing page for kitchen renovations, and you're also going to have these secondary landing pages that speak specifically about kitchen cabinets, about kitchen flooring, kitchen appliances, kitchen lighting, kitchen countertops. And these pages may look very similar to your main kitchen renovation page, but they're speaking about a specific subcategory of this main kitchen renovation topic. Now, the key with this is to keep it dedicated around that topic of kitchen renovations, and to also interlink these pages together. So your main page, your main kitchen renovation page, you're going to link to all of these pages. So on this main kitchen page, you may talk about cabinets, flooring, appliances, and you're going to link to all of these subcategory pages. And within these subcategory pages, you're going to interlink these other subcategory pages as well. So when you're talking about kitchen cabinets, you might mention flooring. You're going to connect to your flooring. You may talk about appliances as well. And you're going to link to all of these pages. So you're going to have your main page, and then you're going to have all these secondary pages, and they're all going to be interlinking to each other. So when Google comes and scans and crawls your website, it's going to see a very specific tight theme revolving around kitchen renovations. And it's going to tell Google very plainly that you have a strong topic about kitchens on your website. The other advantage is that when you have this set up on your website, it makes it really valuable and easy for somebody, a potential customer that comes to your website and they want to learn about your kitchen renovations, and you go into great detail to talk about all of these ancillary types of, secondary services like cabinets, countertops, lighting, things like that. So not only are you giving them one generic general page, you're giving a lot of specific information about everything involving kitchen renovation. So not only does this help with your local SEO, it'll also help with your customer experience and your conversions on your website. So this is what a topic cluster is. It's a pretty easy concept. It's easy to do. You're going to create your main service page in this example, and you're going to look at all of those subcategory, those subtopic pages related to this main one. Here it's going to be kitchen renovations, and you're going to create all of these secondary pages around this central topic, and you're going to make sure they all interlink with each other. If you want to learn more, you can go to 3bugmedia.com. Thank you very much, and have a good day.